Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ocean credit card account from your computer. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Ocean credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in oceanfinance.co.uk like this, and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to this page, which is the home page of Ocean Finance itself. Now, to log into your Ocean Finance credit card account, you can see the credit card tab available over here. Click on that credit cards tab, and after clicking on that credit card tab, you'll be directed to this page. It seems a little bit same, but it's a different page. You can see to the home and credit card. Now, to log into your credit card on Ocean Finance or your Ocean credit card, you can see the sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and after that you'll be redirected to the My CapitalOne account, a login page of your CapitalOne, because the credit cards of Ocean Finance are managed by the CapitalOne itself. Now, to log into your Ocean credit card account, enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here given to you by the Ocean credit card, or the username and the password which you had entered on Ocean credit cards at the time of creating your account, and click on sign in to log into your Ocean credit card account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on I've forgotten my username or my password, depending upon which one you lost, to go to the procedure to retrieve your username or your password, depending upon which one you lost again. And if you want to create Ocean credit card account from over here, or create an account on Ocean credit cards or Ocean Finance, click on register and go through a procedure to sign up for Ocean Finance credit cards. And this is how you log into your Ocean credit card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.